Yeah, top.
Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Hope you're all doing well and I'm wishing you all in good health. If you don't know me, I am Sana and I make beauty videos on this channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, do subscribe to my channel. So today I've created this look, this dark gothic look, because I think in winters you can easily carry off this look. So here it is. This is my take on going bold. So let's see how I created this look. So now I'm starting off with my Morphe 35O palette, and using this shade I'm going to build up my crease. Now this look is about layering shades, so be patient. Now I'm going to put this shade all over the same shade and I'm going to blend it well. Now using Urban Decay Naked Smoky palette, I'm placing this grey shade over the same shades. I'm placing this shade on the outer corner and I'm blending it in. Now I'm going again with my Morphe 35O palette and I'm using this intense shade. I'm placing it on the outer corner and blending it well. This will define the crease really well. Now going in with Smoky palette, I'm going to use this white shade and I'm going to place it in the inner part of my lid and I'm going to blend the shades really well. Now I'm going in with the same shades on my lower lash line and I'm buffing the shades really well. So guys, here's the final look. So I hope you guys like this look, and if you have any more suggestions, do let me know. I'll do that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and follow me on my Instagram account. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.